morning to one and all. I welcome you to one of the most anticipated events of Joseph Fest, Jam or Just a Minute. It brings out the funniest and the wackiest out of us. And remember, if you don't think on your feet, you will fall. The rule is of an invalid interjection. The decision of the chairperson will be final. While a participant is speaking, the other participants can interject the speaker on the following parameters: hesitation, time waste, repetition, long pause, grammatical error. Now I will request and invite Mr. Shamal Narayan to please host the event. Thank you.
Speaking teeth right on this stage, I still remember my mother chaperoning me when I was probably admitted here in kindergarten, KG. We don't have KG today, we now have prep. It's a lovely feeling to be here. Thank you, Father. Thanks everyone for calling me. I am around, and without much ado, we'll straight away get on with it. The rules were already given by an announcer over here, but just for the purposes of record and for the purposes that no one has any complaints, we'll quickly run through the rules once. Okay? Just a Minute is all about speaking without really having to think much, or at least letting people know that you are thinking. Okay? I give out a topic. Immediately, as I cannot contradict yourself. You cannot contradict yourself unless and until you've said something in between which rationalizes or explains your contradiction. You have to speak on the topic and not about the topic. Speaking about the topic would mean that you are deviating from it, and therefore you have to come to the topic within the first 5 seconds. If anyone gets the feeling that a person has not come onto the topic within the first 5 seconds, that would be a ground for a valid objection. Okay? The topic in its entirety cannot be repeated in the last 5 seconds. Unnecessary dramatization is not permitted, because that will also be counted as a time-wasting tactics. Pronunciation errors are a complete no-no. There's no way that you're going to pronounce any word other than how the Queen would have pronounced it. And please, no slangs are permitted. Therefore, pictures are fine, films are okay, movies are out. No slangs are permitted unless and until they are a part and parcel of the topic. Any premeditated or preset format, if the name of a book, is the name of a servant, is not permitted, at least not in the same topic. I'm making one exemption over here. Normally we would not have the same idea or a word, a significant word or a phrase repeated in the entire round, but here we will confine it to any particular topic. For example, if I give you a topic, Josephus in Allahabad, and you start talking about it, then the other person, if there has been a valid objection in between, will not be allowed to continue with your idea. So repetition of a significant idea, word or phrase in the same topic is not permitted. Okay? And words other than belonging to the English language are also I do by way of bonus. Do you enjoy jamming?
Yes.
What do you enjoy most about the jams? You've ever jammed when I have conducted? No? You consider me naughty? No? She had a second thought coming. Hi. What's your name?
Sukriti Bhargav.
Sukriti Bhargav from SMC. SMC. कल हिंदी में पूछा था दिवाली ऊंची. Do you have any answer to that? None?
I do.
She had.
We're just too pretty. Everyone wants to.
The girls are next to my heart for having at least spoken out honestly. Pretty or not, you're next to our hearts. Yeah.
My name is Navnata Banerjee.
Navnata Banerjee from?
St. Mary's Mirzapur.
Now I have a secret to tell. Yesterday all these guys from Mirzapur were at Vinayak Mall about 10:30. Now what were you doing there? Watching movies?
No, we were just at Domino's Pizza.
Domino's Pizza. How was the pizza?
Fantastic.
Right. Hope you have a wonderful time in Allahabad, and this is St. Anthony's Convent.
I'm Charu Tiwari from St. Anthony's.
Charu Tiwari from St. Anthony's. Okay, all of you, welcome to this show. In case there's anything which I say which you don't like, well, tell me off the stage. On stage, I would like to be very polite, courteous, gallant, chivalrous, everything. But at the end of the day, consider me to be a dictator. Right then, therefore we are ready and willing. Oh, here goes. Can you hear me? SJA. My scorekeeper over here, oh sorry, I failed to give their introduction. The guy who's going to mess around with the stop clock over here and the buzzer is Aishwarya Shukla. He's going to be as honest as he can with the stop clock and the buzzer. And the guy keeping time over here with me is Kushal Agrawal. I hope he's as Kushal at his job as his name suggests. And the guy from St. John's Academy, your name, you got it now? What's the name, St. John's Academy?
Shivanshu Dwivedi.
Shivanshu Dwivedi. And the first name of the student from SMS. Mirzapur. Your name? Your first name?
Nabnata. Nabnata.
Institution which has come from outside. Please, someone. Up where the judges say. Anyone? Let's have two. Thank you. We begin again. No marks just now. From the beginning, yeah. With candles, chocolates and wines, woo your Valentine. Start speaking now.
With candles, chocolates and wines, woo your Valentine. This is the best method one guy can do.
Yeah. Hesitation. He actually hesitated, yes. He faltered. The topic goes to you for another 53 seconds. With candles, chocolates and wines, printers. Up to you. There has to be some kind of a movement from one sentence to the other. You set the topic in its entirety and then immediately move on to the other thing. So grammatically it was all wrong. Start speaking now.
Mr. Agarwal chose to woo Mrs. Agarwal by candles, chocolates and wines. She was his first Valentine in 1986 and today in 2012 they're still together. I think it goes to show that love can persist. It was not only the work of candles but also wine. Wine had an event of certain amount.
Yeah, SJ.
Hesitation.
Yeah, he hesitated. Yes, he was going fantastic, but he hesitated. Start speaking. For God's sake, last time I'm warning you, next time you're going to get the topic away from you. Start speaking now.
All.
Yeah, started late. No, she didn't. She didn't. Start speaking now.
Of all the animals in the zoo, the monkey wanted to kiss the kangaroo. One might question why. The kangaroo is so tall, probably not kiss-worthy. But everyone wanted the monkey to kiss the kangaroo because the monkey had the hots for the kangaroo for a while now.
She said had the hots. That's unparliamentary language.
Unparliamentary?
Slang, and you don't have the hots. Queen won't say that.
Alright, here's a prude guy, but he's actually tripped you on your wrong foot. I admit it is a mistake. So my heart goes out to what she said. The point unfortunately goes to him. Start speaking now.
I was 5 when I went to the zoo.
Rehan, and your topic, you get, start. The babes are hot and dudes are cool. I want to go to such a school. Start speaking now.
Where babes are hot and dudes are cool, I want to go to such a school. Actually, I have always been staying in Rehan Nagar, a very small place in the outskirts of UP. And
Yeah.
He's talking about Rehan Nagar, not about the topic.
That was after 5 seconds. -1 to him. Yes, carry on. More strength to your imagination. More strength to your imagination. Start speaking now.
there you won't find any girl even wearing skirt upper than the lip.
Yes. Maza aaya? I know you are very good. If only you were to practice just a little bit. I'll tell you what, we don't have much of jamming in school, and probably you would not have jammed before this. Once. But you are very good. If you keep working it, I'm sure that you are going to win it hands down any other place. And you were also great. कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा.
मजा आया? फिर आना है? नहीं आ पाओगे जब तक फेल नहीं हो. Right. We've got SMC Allahabad, Sukriti Bhargava with 20 points. Congratulations, Sukriti. You've done exceedingly well for yourself. Congratulations. The second position has been taken by FJA. Wonderful.